Hello everyone, in this video I will discuss about that introduction part of electrochemistry. Okay, so first of all you have to know this electrochemical cell. Okay, this one is electrochemical cell. You have to know first. This is very first introduction part. Okay, so this is electrochemical means what? This one is one device. Okay, so a device in which chemical energy is converted into electrical energy. See, chemical energy converted to electrical energy. Okay, so this one is electrochemical cell means electrochemical cell. That means a device in which chemical energy converted to electrical energy or vice versa. So this one is electrochemical cell. Or electrochemical cell are two types. So electrochemical cell are two types. This electrochemical cell two types. One is galvanic cell. One is galvanic cell or voltaic cell. One is galvanic cell or voltaic cell, and another one is electrolytic cell. Electrolytic cell. Okay, so electrochemical cell. What is electrochemical cell? A device in which chemical energy converted into electrical energy. Now, the electrochemical cell, how many types? Electrochemical cell, there are two types. One is galvanic cell or voltaic cell. Another one is electrolytic cell. Okay. Now what is galvanic cell? This is galvanic cell. Now, definition needed. What is galvanic cell? A cell in which chemical energy is converted into electrical energy. That means chemical energy. Here, chemical energy converted to electrical energy. Okay, so chemical energy converted to electrical energy. So this galvanic cell or voltaic cell, this chemical energy converted to electrical energy. And this electrolytic cell is a cell in which electrical energy is applied to carry out a non-spontaneous chemical energy. That means electrical energy converted to chemical reaction. Okay, chemical energy. Understood? Or this definition is a cell. Okay, this definition I will write here. A cell in which electrical energy is applied to carry out a non-spontaneous chemical reaction. Okay, non-spontaneous chemical reaction. This one is electrolytic cell. So electrolytic cell, a cell in which electrical energy is applied to carry out a non-spontaneous chemical reaction. Understood? So this one. Now this example, what is the example of electrolytic cell? Now electrolytic cell example is, suppose voltameter. Okay, voltameters, or this one is Kastner kernel cell. Kastner. So this one is Kastner. Kastner Kellner cell. Okay, these two. And what is galvanic cell or voltaic cell? Example, the galvanic cell or voltaic cell example is galvanic cell or voltaic cell example. This one is Daniell cell. Okay, Daniell cell or dry cell. Okay, Daniell cell or dry cell. This is example of galvanic cell or voltaic cell. Understood? Or another one is a fuel cell also. The fuel cell also. This one is galvanic cell or voltaic cell is the example. Understood? This one. Now, okay, this Daniell cell I will discuss later. First of all, see salt bridge. Okay, salt bridge. This is very important. Salt bridge. So what is salt bridge? Okay, so what is salt bridge? Salt bridge like this. Okay, one U tube shape. Okay, U shaped tube. This one is like this. Understood? So inside the tube, this inert electrolyte is there. Inert electrolyte inside the tube. Understood? Inside the tube, inert electrolyte and agar gel. Agar gel. Okay, this one. Now definition, what is salt bridge? Or okay, what is salt bridge? See, it is a inverted U-shaped glass. So here it is a inverted U-shaped glass tube. U-shaped glass tube containing an electrolyte, inert electrolyte. Okay, inert electrolyte containing an inert electrolyte in agar gel. Okay, gel. It connects to half cell. So it connects to half cell. It connects to half cell. Understood? So it connects to half cell. This one to half cell of a galvanic cell. So this is salt bridge. So what is salt bridge? Salt bridge, it is a inverted U-shaped glass tube containing an electrolyte in agar gel. This is electrolyte. These are inert electrolyte. Okay, this is inert electrolyte. So inert electrolyte in agar gel. It connects two half cells of a galvanic cell. To two half cells of a galvanic cells. So this is salt bridge. And this is what is the function? This is function. You can write this function also. This one is it connects two half cells of a galvanic cell. Okay, this one is salt bridge. Now another point is one. This is point number electrode potential. Now what is electrode potential? Electrode potential. Okay, so electrode potential. So electrode potential, this definition. So what is electrode potential? Then definition is a measure of the tendency of a electron to loss or gain electron. This one, electrode potential. Okay, sorry, this column is not working. This one is this one. Okay, now electrode potential. This one, electrode potential definition is a measure of the tendency. So a measure of the tendency of an electron to loss or gain electrons. Okay, now this one, this definition, electrode potential. Electrode potential is nothing but this one is a measure of the tendency of a electron to loss or gain electrons. Loss or gain electrons, this one is suppose this is oxidation reaction or reduction reaction. If oxidation reaction takes place means this one is gain of loss of electron. Oxidation reaction, then you can write this one is oxidation reaction means what? Loss of electron or electrons, loss of electrons. If reduction reaction, that means this one is what? Gain of electrons. Okay, gain of electron or electrons. Understood? This one, this is electrode potential. This electrode potential, this nothing but a measure of the tendency of a electron to loss of gain electrons, to loss or gain. The loss, if loss, that means this oxidation takes place. If gain, this is reduction takes place. Okay, in Daniell cell I will discuss this whole part. Okay, this one is Daniell cell, how to do, which one is oxidation part, which one is reduction part. Half cell, two half cell combine each other to form the one complete cell, like this. Okay, this one. So this is electrode potential. Now this electrode potential, this one is this one unit. What is the unit of electrode potential? The unit of electrode potential is volt. Okay, volt, this is unit. So what is the SI unit of electrode potential? This one is volt or voltage. Okay, volt, this one is volt. After that, now oxidation potential. Now is oxidation potential reaction. Okay, oxidation potential reaction. Now oxidation potential reaction means this is nothing but this one is what? This is loss of electron. The loss of electron, now this one, see, a measure of the tendency of an electrode. Okay, electrode needed, of an electrode to loss electron. Okay, to loss electrons. That means suppose this is electrode M, any metal. Okay, suppose this is zinc rod. Okay, suppose zinc rod, or this metal is zinc rod, or this one is suppose copper rod or silver rod, like this. So M, okay, this one, this M changes to Mn plus n type of n number of electrons. Okay, n number of electron. Though this one is oxidation potential reaction. The oxidation potential reaction definition: a measure of the tendency of an electrode. So electrode, suppose zinc. Okay, zinc, this is electrode, to loss electron. The zinc changes to Zn2 plus, this is aqueous medium 2 plus 2 electron. So how many electron loss from here? This is 2 electron. So this is oxidation potential reaction. Okay, this one. Now another one is reduction potential. Then reduction potential reaction. So reduction potential reaction means this one also same, gain of electron. So gain of electron means electron gain, like this. Suppose Ag plus, okay, plus electron to form that Ag metal. Okay, the Ag metal, this one Ag, this is reduction potential. Now definition, what is definition? Now definition, I have to write here. This is what? Same like this one, a measure of the tendency of an electrode to, now here you have to write gain. Okay, gain electrons. This one is reduction potential. Okay, reduction potential, gain electrons. So a measure of the tendency of an electrode to gain electron, this is called reduction potential reaction. Okay, understood this part? Then Ag plus E to form Ag. Okay, now how to write this one is with M, then M plus Mn m to the power n plus n number of electron to form m. Okay, this one is formula. So this part. Now the relation between okay, another one, see, relation between oxidation E-ox and E-red. Okay, so what is the relation between this one E oxidation and E reduction? So E oxidation and E reduction's relation you can write like this: E ox equal to minus E reduction. This is relation. E oxidation equal to minus of E reduction. Okay, this one is relation. Next is very important. This one is Nast equation. The Nast equation for electrode potential. Suppose Nast. Okay, this is very important. Nast equation for electrode potential. Electrode potential. Okay, electrode potential. Nast equation for electrode potential. So Nast equation of electrode potential, this is for only reduction reaction. So according to Nast equation, electrode potential developed due to the reduction reaction. Okay, reduction reaction. Suppose this is A mole of capital A, okay, plus B mole of capital B plus n number of electron to form C mole of capital C plus D mole of capital D. Okay, this is one type of reduction reaction. Okay, this one is one type of reduction reaction. Reaction reaction means gain of electron. That's why this side. If gain of electron, then you can use this n. That means electron this side, left hand side. Okay, this is arrow. Understood? This one is arrow. Now what is the formula? This E equal to, or E cell, right? E cell equal to E naught cell minus 2.303 RT divided by NF log of concentration of the product. Here concentration of the product is which one? C and D na? How many? C how many? C mole. D how many? D mole. Okay, small d. So this concentration inside the bracket, inside the third bracket you can write C, and this inside the third bracket D, right? And this power is small d, and this one is downside you can write reactant. Okay, reactant. Then concentration of A and concentration of B. This one how many mole? A mole. Then A power is A. Now how many? B power is B. Okay, this one. So E cell equal to E naught cell minus 2.303 RT divided by NF log concentration of the product divided by concentration of the reactant. Now this one also called EMF. EMF, electromotive force. This one. And E naught cell, this another formula is E naught cell, you can write E cathode. Okay, E cathode minus E anode. Or E right minus E left, like this. Okay, or E, this one is E, this cathode part means what? Reduction minus E oxidation. Okay, oxidation, this is reduction, like this. So this one. So where this E, okay, here E, this one is simple E. This one, a simple E is called what? Simple is called, or E cell is called what? Reduction potential of the electrode. So E cell equal to reduction potential of the electrode. Okay, electrode. So reduction potential of the electrode, or simply you can tell this one is electromotive force. Okay, electromotive force. This one E cell. Or now E naught cell, or E naught simply. So this one is called what? This one is called standard reduction potential of the electrode. Standard. Okay, তাহলে স্ট্যান্ডার্ড রিডাকশন potential of the electrode. Okay, this one. So if this one like this symbol is there, okay, suppose this E like this, so this is called E naught. This is standard part. Okay, standard part. So E naught cell, this one is standard reduction potential of the electrode, and E cell, this one is reduction potential of the electrode. This is also called EMF, electromotive force. Okay, this one. And this concentration part, this one is concentration part, concentration C, concentration D, concentration A, concentration B. So this one is what? This one are the active masses or effective concentration. This is active mass. So active masses of C product, active masses of active masses of D product, and this is active masses. Okay, active masses you have learned in class 11. This one is active mass. I think this one in equilibrium chapter. Okay, this one is there. So this is this one is active mass. Okay, the A, B, C, D like this. Okay, so this part is Nast equation, very important. This is very important, this formula. So this formula have to by heart. Okay, and another one, see, this is some books is like this is there. Then ln. Okay, this is ln means natural log. Okay, this ln means natural log. Now natural log to ordinary log, how to convert? The one natural log to ordinary log, then 2.303 log. This is ordinary log. Natural, that means 1 ln equal to 2.303 log of like this. Any this one concentration is there, or this one products, something product or reactant like this. Okay, they has this side also is there. Understood? This one. Okay, next is standard electrode potential. Very important, this part, standard electrode potential. Okay, then standard electrode potential. Okay, standard electrode potential. This standard electrode potential means this one is the electrode potential developed when all the species participating in an electrode reaction are at their standard state, that is at unit activity. So I will write here this definition. What? The electrode potential developed when all the species participating in an electrode reaction. Okay, electrode reaction are at their standard states. Okay, standard states. That is, standard states means what? Standard state, that is this one at unit. Okay, at unit activity and at a specified temperature, usually at a specified temperature, and at a specified, okay, specified temperature, that is what? A specified temperature, that means this one is room temperature or 25 degrees C. Okay, this is usually 25 degrees C. Okay, this one. So this one is standard electrode potential. This standard electrode potential very important. This one standard electrode potential. Okay, this one. So after that, now what is the significance of the electrode potential? Now this, what is the significance? Okay, this significance also needed. First, significance. Okay, now I will discuss this significance also. Then significance of the value of electrode potential. Okay, significance. Now you tell this one is the standard. Okay, higher the standard electrode potential. Suppose this one higher the standard. This one is higher the standard electrode potential. Electrode potential, greater is the tendency of the electrode or half cell to undergo reduction. Okay, that means if standard electrode potential is higher, then this one is undergo what? Reduction reaction. Okay, if standard electrode potential, this is higher part. Okay, standard electrode potential is higher. So standard electrode potential is higher, then this one is what? If higher, then this half cell reaction undergoes reduction. Half cell reaction undergoes reduction. Okay, if higher, then this is reduction reaction can undergo. Okay, this half cell to undergoes reduction reaction. Understood? If lower, standard electrode potential is lower. Suppose standard electrode potential is lower. Suppose lower. If lower, then this one is undergo oxidation reaction. That means standard electrode potential is lower. This one undergo oxidation reaction. Okay, oxidation. Okay, again I will tell you. Then this one is what? If standard electrode potential is greater, then this one is undergo reduction reaction. If standard electrode potential is lower, then this one is undergo oxidation reaction. So this is significance. Okay, this one is significance. Understood? This one. After that, the standard hydrogen electrode. Okay, now standard hydrogen electrode is very, very important, because see, hydrogen is not a electrode. Okay, this is gas actually. This one is gas. Now this one that's why this one is this platinum were needed. Okay, platinum metal needed, platinum metal. Okay, now second part is standard hydrogen electrode. Okay, standard hydrogen electrode. Okay, the standard hydrogen electrode. Now this is what is standard hydrogen electrode? This one is standard hydrogen electrode is obtained by bubbling pure hydrogen gas. So how to obtain bubbling pure hydrogen gas at, okay, then bubbling pure hydrogen gas at 1 atm. Okay, 1 atmospheric pressure, 1 atm pressure around a platinum sheet, coated with platinum black, okay, platinum black dipped into a solution of H plus ions with what? With this unit activity, okay, activity. So this one is what is standard hydrogen electrode. So standard hydrogen electrode nothing but this one is what? This one is obtained by bubbling pure. This is obtained by standard hydrogen electrode. Obtained by bubbling pure hydrogen gas at 1 atmospheric pressure around a platinum sheet coated with platinum black dipped into a solution of H plus ion with unit activity. So this one is definition. Okay, or how we'll get this part. Okay, this one is standard hydrogen electrode. Understood? This one. Now how to symbolize? Now symbolic representation. So symbolic representation needed. So symbolic representation, okay, symbolic representation. Now symbolic representation, this is platinum, then Pt, phase boundary is 2. Okay, this is what 1 atm atmospheric pressure. After that again phase boundary H plus, okay, H plus, then A H plus equal to 1 1 atmospheric pressure. So this is symbolic representation. Now electrode reaction, now what about this is symbolic representation, and now electrode reaction. Okay, electrode reaction. Okay, then electrode reaction, this is what H plus A H plus equal to 1 H plus equal to 1, this one is H plus equal to 1 plus E 1 electron, this is gain of electron, to form, okay, to form half of H2 gas atm atmospheric pressure 1 atm. Okay, this is electrode reaction. So electrode reaction H plus 1 electron. Okay, this is reduction reaction, actually reduction. This H plus can gain 1 electron to form half of hydrogen gas in atmospheric 1 atmospheric pressure. After that, the electrode potential. Now electrode potential, so electrode potential. Okay, then electrode potential, this electrode potential is conventionally is what? Conventionally is E naught, okay, E naught H plus phase boundary, then half of H2, okay, equal to 0. This is electrode potential. This is the conventionally sorry, this one is wrong. Conventionally, okay, conventionally E naught H plus phase boundary, this is called phase boundary half of hydrogen gas, or this one H plus changes to half of H2 equal to 0. Understood this one? Okay, now this second part, or okay, now I will start. This one is Daniell cell. Okay, this part Daniell cell. Understood? Daniell cell. Then this is Daniell cell. Okay, now Daniell cell, in this cell 2 half cell needed, 2 half cell. Suppose one in this one is 2 half cell, one this one and another this one. Okay, 2 half cell. This is first half cell, and 1 salt bridge needed. Okay, 1 salt bridge needed, 1 salt bridge, and 1 electrode needed. Here also 1 electrode needed, and this electrode is called AG, and this electrode is called Zn rod. Okay, Zn rod, this electrode, and this electrode is called silver rod. Okay, silver rod. After that, this is inside the container or inside the half cell. This one is this is ZnSO4 needed. The Zn inside the container. The solution is ZnSO4, and also this one is what? This one silver nitrate solution. Okay, silver nitrate solution. After that, then one table is there. Then this one salt bridge. So inside the salt bridge, non-electrolyte. Okay, that means inert electrolyte is there. Okay, inert electrolyte with agar-agar gel. Understood? This is salt bridge called. And then this one is one galvanometer is there, and one bulb is there, one bulb. Okay, like this. Then this is glow. Okay, this is what reaction. Then chemical energy convert to electrical energy, like this. Okay, now this one C. Understood? Okay. I'll draw this galvanic cell representation, how to represent that galvanic cell. Okay, now so this one is first beaker. Suppose this is one cell, one container, this one also one container. Okay, now so inside the container, this one is one electrode is there. Okay, this electrode, this one, and this electrode is called zinc rod. Okay, zinc rod or zinc plate. Okay, zinc rod or zinc plate. Understood this one? So this is right hand side. This right hand side, another electrode is there. This electrode is called silver electrode. Okay, this one is called silver electrode or silver rod. Understood? This is silver rod. Okay. Now here this U tube is called, that means U shape. This U shape is called salt bridge. This U shape is called salt bridge. Okay, this is salt bridge. So inside the salt bridge some electrolyte is there, inert electrolyte. Okay, inert electrolyte. This one is called salt bridge. Okay, this one is called salt bridge, and inside the salt bridge that one inert electrolyte and agar gel is there. Inert electrolyte and agar gel is there. Okay, this one. Understood? And inside that one. Now that one is inside the beaker, one solution is there. Okay, one solution. This solution, one solution means this zinc rod. This is its solution means you can tell this one, or you can consider zinc sulfate. Okay, zinc sulfate. This one inside the inside the beaker, this one is zinc sulfate solution is there. And here inside the beaker, inside the beaker one solution is there. This solution is silver nitrate solution. Okay, silver nitrate solution. This one is one table. You can make this one is table. Okay, this is table. Okay, this one inside. This one is partially immersed, this rod. Okay, partially immersed, this rod. This is silver, and one wire is there, and one galvanic cell, galvanometer also, galvanometer, and one bulb. Okay, one bulb. This one. Okay, one bulb. Now this one is glowing, and this half cell, that means in this side, this rod charge is positive. Okay, this is positive. That means here you can tell this one cathode. Okay, cathode reaction going on, or in this beaker cathode reaction this takes place, or reduction reaction, cathode reaction or reduction. Okay, reduction reaction takes place. Okay, here now in this beaker or in this cell, okay, this is half cell. In this big cell, here this one is oxidation reaction takes place. Here oxidation reaction, then oxidation reaction takes place, or anode reaction. Okay, anode reaction. Okay, anode reaction, this one. Now individually you have to write this reaction. This side is this left hand side. This left hand side is, this is anode reaction going on. In this beaker anode reaction going on, or oxidation reaction takes place. Now oxidation reaction takes place, and this rod is called zinc rod, and here sign is, this is sign negative. Okay, negative. This is negative. This negative is called anode. Okay, anode. This one anode, and this one is cathode. This cathode sign is positive. In case of galvanic cell, cathode sign is positive and anode sign is negative. Okay, this one. Now I have to write this one, oxidation half reaction. Okay, oxidation half reaction. So this is zinc rod. So zinc rod changes to Zn2 plus 2 electron. Okay, zinc rod. The zinc rod changes to Zn2 plus. The zinc rod changes to Zn2 plus. Why this one? Because oxidation. Then oxidation reaction is what? Oxidation reaction is loss of electron or electrons. Okay, this one. Oxidation reaction means loss of electron or electrons. Understood? This one is oxidation reaction. So this is individual reaction of this part, only this part, and this one is inside the beaker or inside the container or inside the cell. This one is ZnSO4. This ZnSO4 now like this have to split ZnSO4 to Zn2 plus SO4 2 minus. Okay, this one. Understood? This one. Okay. Now in case of this part, now this is second number. This second number is cathode reaction. This one also called anode reaction. Okay, and here this one is reduction reaction, half reaction. Okay, reduction half reaction also called cathode reaction. Okay, now this cathode reaction here, this electrode is what? This electrode is silver. So silver Ag plus electron to form Ag. This is solid. This is aqueous medium. Okay, then aqueous Ag plus electron, 1 electron. So this Ag plus can take 1 electron or gain of electron. This reduction means gain of electron. So this Ag plus gain 1 electron to form AgS. This AgS. Okay, so this one is reduction half reaction or cathode reaction. Now you can write here, this is equation number 1 and this one is equation number 2. Okay, this one is equation number 1 and equation number 2. Now overall reaction, you have to write, then this one number, okay, this is equation number 1 and equation number 2. Now this equation number 2 here, how many electrons? Only 1. And equation number 1, how many electrons here? 2. So these two, now like elimination process, now you can arrange this side also 2 electron needed. Okay, so this one is coefficient of E, how much? 2. Here coefficient of E here 1. So here is 1 multiply and here 2, then multiply this one. So Zn S arrow Zn2 plus 2 electron, and here 2 Ag plus in aqueous medium plus 2 electron to form AgS2. Okay, now overall reaction, this is overall reaction. Have to do plus, do this one, Zns plus 2 Ag plus aqueous medium plus 2 electron to form Zn2 plus 2 electron plus 2 AgS. Okay, this one, then 2 electron to cancel and you will get Zns plus 2 Ag plus arrow 2, sorry, Zn2 plus 2 AgS. Okay, this one. So this one is this reaction, this cell reaction. Okay, now how to represent that galvanic cell, that one, or representation of galvanic cell. Now representation of galvanic cell here, or another one, this solution. Okay, this AgNO3, this AgNO3 how to split? See, this AgNO3 like this have to split, Ag plus NO3 minus. Okay, this one. Now how to represent then this galvanic cell, this one? Okay, zinc rod and this one is what? Silver rod. Now Zn phase boundary, this is called phase boundary. This single vertical line is called phase boundary. Zn2 plus, this is aqueous medium. Then double vertical line, this double vertical line is called salt bridge. After that Ag plus, okay, Ag plus, this is aqueous medium, phase boundary Ag. Okay, this is metal. Now this Ag, this side see how many Ag plus, here 2, how many? 2, then 2 needed. Okay, 2. So this is representation of galvanic cell. Okay, or symbolize of galvanic cell. So this is galvanic cell representation. Okay, So this one, so this is very very important. And here see this negative sign, that means this negative sign also called electron. The electron can flow left side to right side, but conventional current will flow then right side to left side, okay, like this. So minus, this minus means electron can flow this side to this side, and this positive sign can flow this side to this side, understood? And this one, okay. So this one is representation. This one electron, how to flow electron, which side to which side flow, and conventional current which side to flow, okay, this one. And this is Soul bridge. Soul bridge is what is Soul bridge and its function, later I will discuss, okay, this one. So you have to see this one and how to do, have to practice, okay, this one. Thank you.